These AirPods Max sound amazing, block noise, and feel great.
Welcome back everyone, and I'm so delighted to have you here. Imagine turning any product link into a complete, fully edited video ad with a presenter, with voiceover, with captions, all in seconds, just like the first videos you watched earlier. Now you can see all this product right here. All this product you are seeing right here are being done by this tool. Sound impossible, right? Well, not anymore.
I love
Today
using this
I'm
face
showing you
cream every morning.
Higgsfield Click-to-Ad, the first tool that makes your product URL and instantly transform it into a ready to publish 9x16 social ad. No filming, no editing, no templates to drag around. Just paste the link and boom, your ad is done. Alright, so let's come over to Amazon. We want to get a product link, like it's so easy. So I come to my Amazon and search for a product, and I go for handbag. So I'm going to select a product in particular and click on that. So what I'm going to do right here is just to copy all this link right here, right? So guys, just watch this video carefully and don't jump away, don't move away at all. Watch this video to the end so that you will get the amazing part of it. Alright, so I've copied the link, then I'll come back to my tool right here, the Higgsfield AI. Then I'm going to paste the link and click on continue. Guys, what this app is going to do for you is going to amaze you. Higgsfield Click-to-Ad is a brand new AI ad engine from Higgsfield, and one of the fastest growing generative AI companies in the world. Their mission is simple: to make professional content creation so easy that anyone, business owners, e-commerce brands, drop shippers, agencies can produce ads without stress. And with this Click-to-Ad, they have completely removed every manual step between I need an ad and my ad is ready. Guys, this is super amazing. So that is why I'm showing you step by step how to do it. And this is not a slideshow generator or some boring templates filler. Click-to-Ad actually reads your product page like a creative director. It pulls up to 8 product images, it picks the brand colors, it picks the logo, and it also picks the product title and description. Then it automatically arranges everything inside a professional ad template with transitions, animations, captions, and even a realistic AI avatar presenting your message with a synchronized voiceover. Now, I'm just trying to pick this example while we are waiting for our first video to be done, right? This is so simple, guys. Just try this out and you see how it's going to be. So now let me show you exactly how it is. I am heading over. I'm already in the tool right here. So the name of the tool, don't forget, is Higgsfield.ai. And then when you get to the tool, you look for Click-to-Ad. And this is the interface. So I'm going to add the link to the description section. So you can see what I just said. It gives you up to like 8 images of that brand and in different colors. So from there, it's going to select among which one is going to use for your ads. Like, guys, this is super amazing. And just like that, in few seconds, once the images are ready, I'm going to come over and click on generate video, right? So now I'm going to select the templates of which I want to use. So I would love to go for the first one right here, this standing lady right here. So I think that will be so perfect. So I'll click on generate. then you have to wait for like 2 to 5 minutes for this video to be successfully generated. Guys, this is super amazing and super easy, super fast and lovely. So guys, if this is your first time coming across my channel and you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow all my social media, and also join my WhatsApp channel to always get amazing updates from me, weekly updates. So see the result, guys. This is super amazing. Like, this is super amazing. And now let's break down what you get inside this auto-generated ad. Fully animated 9:16 vertical video, clean transition and pacing, captions synchronized perfectly, a human-like AI avatar presenting the message, brand colors automatically applied, your product name and description, images extracted directly from your website. Like, guys, this is super crazy. And the best part, after generating your video, you can download it right to your device and you have full control over it. And the best part is that you can edit anything. You want to swap images, rewrite the script, change the avatar, recolor the visuals, click to add, gives full control, but starts you with a perfect foundation. Guys, trust me, this is super amazing. So we're done with the first video. Now let's try the second video and let's see how this works. Like, guys, this is crazy. Like, this is super amazing. I just love this. So this is one of the most practical AI tools I've ever tested for real businesses. Instead of spending time editing, writing scripts, picking music, formatting captions, you literally focus on the product, paste the link, and Higgsfield handles the rest. If you want to try the Higgsfield Click-to-Ad, the link is in my description, so I'm going to attach it right there. And I'll also link the official Higgsfield YouTube channel for tutorials and updates on. As I said earlier, you can join my WhatsApp channel to get weekly updates from me. And if you find this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know which AI view next. Because as you all know, I always drop amazing content. Trust me, I always drop amazing content. So let me know in the comment section. You can see the beautiful results given to us by this. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video to this point. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notification bell to always get amazing tips from me like this. And don't forget to invite your friends. Share this video to your friends, let them partake also in this beautiful, amazing tool. See you in my next video. Bye.